Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino talking NASDAQ futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. NASDAQ futures opened up higher than the other two indices, the Dow and the S&P, jumping at almost 30 points before or just after the open on the Celgene acquisition of Juno Therapeutics. A lot of people talk about Merger Monday. A biotech merger like this tends to affect the NASDAQ 100 and the NASDAQ Composite. NASDAQ 100 is, of course, what the futures are based off of, and that's a pretty sizable merger, $9 billion involved in that particular transaction. If mergers become frequent, markets tend to rally, all else equal. After that, we had the government agree to reopen. Senate Democrats and Republicans agreed on a continuing resolution keeping the government open through February 18th or February 19th, somewhere in that area. But they also have to put immigration on the floor for negotiation by February 8th. So we could kind of look toward February 8th as really when this thing is going to get heated again. But the government did reopen, and the NASDAQ actually doubled its gains at that point, going up close to 50 points on the change on the day after the government announced that they had passed this continuing resolution. The NASDAQ was leading, as I mentioned earlier, all three indices all day. NASDAQ is on quite a historical run, up 12 of the last 15 days on a closing basis, as well as being up 20 of the last 25 months, dating all the way back to January of 2017. That is an epic rally, and again, today's run was higher than the most recent day's rallies we've seen. So you got another record in the NASDAQ, record close, record intraday high, government is reopened, and Netflix reporting after the bell. So it looks like NASDAQ has a little bit of strength behind the bullish move. This is Bob Iaccino talking NASDAQ futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.